Breaking news, will XRP soon be recognized as the official digital currency of Europe? Indeed, speculations that the EU is supporting XRP for the digital euro are rife on social media. Some even assert that this will cause the price of XRP to soar to an incredible $50,000, 0 cents per coin. Is it true though? What does this mean for your XRP baggage, and what is genuine and what is fantasy? Let's examine the headlines in detail, dissect the hype and distinguish fact from fiction. Hold on tight, XRP army, this is something you shouldn't miss. Following a flurry of social media rumors that the European Union is preparing to switch from the euro to XRP, the cryptocurrency world is in a frenzy. Or at the very least, employ it as the settlement layer for the European Central Bank's planned digital euro deployment. Both cryptocurrency enthusiasts and financial experts are engaged in heated discussions and debates as a result of this conjecture. Even if these headlines are captivating, we must first separate the hype from the truth. Understanding the actual developments and distinguishing them from rumors is vital. We won't be able to fully understand the implications of these possible changes until then. First, let's talk about Ripple's robust and expanding presence in Europe. By forming important alliances and partnerships, the business has been systematically growing its presence throughout the continent. For many years, Ripple has been cultivating connections with European banks and authorities. These initiatives have established a strong basis for upcoming partnerships and advancements. Maintaining a strong network, SBI Europe, which has teamed up with RippleNet for cross-border payment trials, is among the most noteworthy partnerships. The goal of this collaboration is to transform cross-border money transfers by increasing transaction speed and efficiency. Additionally, Ripple has taken part in a number of European blockchain sandbox initiatives that investigate real-time settlement and liquidity optimization. In order to test and deploy new technologies and open the door for future developments, these projects are essential. These collaborations show that Europe is an important component of Ripple's global goals and the company is not solely focused on the US. The company's strategic actions in Europe demonstrate its dedication to leading the financial technology industry globally and fostering innovation and expansion. The XRP army is buzzing about this fantasy, so let's entertain it now. XRP serves as the digital currency bridge for the central bank of the Eurozone. The digital euros roadmap has already been released by the European Central Bank, and complete implementation is anticipated in 2025-2026-8. Although they haven't identified any particular network or asset, the ECB has made it plain that they want to incorporate a quick, safe, and effective settlement layer. However, XRP technically meets the requirements. It can manage large traffic, has lightning-fast settlement times, and complies with ISO 2020-22. Is it possible for it to be chosen as the settlement layer for CBDC transactions behind closed doors? This is where things start to go crazy. Some predict that the price of XRP might reach $50,000, 0 cents per coin, as a result of this possible use case. The cryptocurrency community is buzzing and excited about this prediction, with many fans hoping for huge profits. But let's examine that assertion using some simple math to see whether this is even remotely possible. We must examine the numbers. The numbers don't lie, and they frequently show that audacious claims are true. The GDP of the European Union is approximately $18 trillion, 0 cents. This enormous number gives us a feeling of scale and represents the combined economic production of several nations. Should XRP reach $50,000, 0 cents per coin, its market value would soar to over $50 trillion, 0 cents, which would almost triple the EU's total GDP. This valuation would be exorbitant and extraordinary, far above anything we have ever seen. Under the current international financial structures, such is not just improbable, but also economically impossible. No matter how hopeful one is, the market just cannot justify such an assessment. The biggest and most widely used cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has never come close to a valuation like that. The fact that Bitcoin's market capitalization is so little in comparison to the XRP speculation emphasizes how unlikely it is. Therefore, despite XRP's strength and the potential for price growth due to adoption, $50,000, 0 cents per coin, is purely speculative given the current supply and market conditions. When thinking about such claims, it's critical to remain anchored in reality and resist the urge to get sucked into the hype. Now, let's get started by outlining the European Union's position on this issue. Setting the record straight and clearing up any misunderstandings is essential because there has been a lot of talk and conjecture. It's crucial to remember that the EU has not formally approved XRP as the basis for its digital euro initiative. There have been no official pronouncements or documentation released despite the excitement in the crypto world. No memoranda have been leaked. There isn't a single public statement or press release that clearly connects XRP or Ripple to the European Central Bank's attempts to develop digital money. The ECB has maintained a high degree of secrecy and has been very quiet about its ambitions. We are certain, though, that Ripple complies with ISO 21222. Because it guarantees that Ripple's technology can seamlessly connect with current financial systems, this compliance is an important consideration, making it a feasible choice for further thought. This implies that its network can easily integrate with contemporary financial communication standards, which is, well, a big plus when it comes to winning over institutions. Ripple is a strong competitor because it provides the compatibility and dependability that financial institutions want. Where exactly do these rumors originate from, you ask? It's an excellent question, because the nature of online conjecture and the speed at which information spreads provide the solution. They most likely stem from a combination. $50,000, 0 cents. What is the true narrative then? Institutions are taking an interest in XRP. The reach of Ripple across Europe is growing. Because of its ISO 20022 compliance, XRP is a preferred option for banks considering digital transformation. But the hope that the euro will be replaced by $50,000, 0 cents XRP coin, for now, that's more myth than math. XRP may be closer to the heart of the digital euro than we realize, but it is still on the horizon. Now is the moment to keep a close eye on these developments if you're optimistic on XRP and think it has real-world utility. If you're interested in a digital euro powered by XRP, please leave a comment and like this video. Do you think XRP will ever reach $50,000, 0 cents? Or is that hopium pure? For more breaking news about XRP, Ripple, and the future of digital currency, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Disclaimer, until the next time, be wise, cautious, and optimistic. This movie is solely meant to be informative and instructional. It isn't financial guidance. Before making any investing decisions, please conduct your own research and speak with a financial advisor.